This is Dr. Tony again. I'm here to talk about Joemar's results from his x-rays. Basically what's helped someone with back pain or neck pain is we look at the x-rays first. He uses our low back here. In case it's a little hard to see, I'm going to show you that on the image in a second. And also neck here. Where'd it go? Here it is. Here's your neck x-ray. Okay? What happens is we want to fix these things over time so your body can feel better. And once you feel better, stay better. Joemar came in. He's about 32, 33. He does a lot of work at a restaurant or a supermarket. And he does a lot of lifting, a lot of physical work. His body, and you'll see in a second on the image here, his body actually, his bones had shifted. It was called a spondylolisthesis. Don't worry about the terminology. It's a long word. I can't even spell it, I don't think. But it allows your body to shift, becomes very unstable. It can pinch the nerve, even the spinal cord, causing not only leg pain and back pain, but also problems with numbness or weakness. So having that in his legs, he wasn't able to work. Our job getting back to his normal so he could work, and he was working during care. Overall, you'll see his new results here from first results. You'll see here, the bones are really shifted. I think it's about 32-33% off. The second one is about here, about probably, I think, 10 to weeks of care. Overall, now you see results where it's about 17%, okay, about 50% better. His spine improved not only through the adjustments, you can see some other videos we've done adjustments, but also through stretching, through exercising to keep his back overall loose and then strong. We want your body to feel better. Once it felt better, in his sense, worked out perfectly in timing, now you see the overall better x-ray. Now we fix the overall problem, so his body is better, he's going to stay that way over a long period of time, hopefully the rest of his life. Okay, I can't guarantee everything, but come on, people, give me a break. Right? So, hope you enjoy these videos. Again, this helps you understand how we improve people's health through the adjustments and see the results of this, so you overall see the improvement. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.